I'm not sure if you guys have heard yet, but the 2021 Girl of the Year, Kira Bailey, is coming out, and she loves koalas, so I decided to make some koala cookies. I created a template for the cookies, which is in the description down below. There are 2 different sizes, and the first step is to cut them out. Then you're going to want to take each of your templates and put some sort of adhesive on the back of it. Mine is like a removable putty. Then you're just going to want to stick it onto some beige foam and cut it out. The cutouts should look something like this. Then take puffy paint to create a koala design similar to the template. While that dries, you can create your cookie cutter. To create a matching cookie cutter, cut out a thin strip of black cardstock. The next step is to take your thin strip of cardstock and you're going to want to fold it where the creases are, just like your template. This part gets a bit tricky, so I used my template as a base and kind of folded it like that. Seal your koala shape by taking tape and wrapping it around the end. Finishing your koala cookies and cookie cutter. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting!